Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the FIELDVIEW CAB app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the FIELDVIEW CAB is designed for farmers who want real-time insights during planting, spraying and harvesting. It connects to your equipment to track your performance, map view and collect yield data straight from the cab, helping you make smart data-driven decisions on the go. However, the app requires compatible hardware like FIELDVIEW drive and user support occasional lag or connection issue. While setup can be pricey and technical, the data decision is often so impressive. So it's a powerful tool for serious farmers who want the right setup for their business. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.